Okay, we're going to show you how to replace the fan belt. This car had a new alternator. Unfortunately, we didn't think about replacing the fan belt. I'm now regretting that. This is what it sounds like. It don't sound too bad at the minute, but when you turn up the revolution or acceleration, when you're driving along, that sound, that's not right. We need to fix that. Yeah, so as before, we removed the lamp, the headlamp, by undoing the bolt here, and then third one here, one on top. Okay, and fitted the new belt by turning the tensioner as I showed before in the clockwise direction, removing the old belt, and then fitting the new belt over all the pulleys. Took a photo first. I've also put a picture up so as you know the route it's got to take. Do the distributor last. Did I say distributor? Alternator. Yeah, do the alternator last. Put the largest pulley on first, and then come back up, and then put the next pulley, and then over the pump, steering pump, and last of all, I did it with a piece of wood to pull it over to the while someone else turns the tensioner, pull it over the last pulley, which is for the alternator, and then that's the job done. We'll just show you. As you heard before, it was making a squealy noise. Okay, yeah, just to let you know, if you want to make sure if it is the belt, a good clue is if you do spray it with some water and the noise disappears, then suspect the belt, because that's what this one did. Once if you sprayed some water onto the belt, the noise vanished. Right, this is the old belt. It doesn't look worn, but I think what happens, the grooves get deeper and it doesn't match with the alternator. So the alternator's new, and I think that's where the noise has been generated from. So even though you've got what looks like a good belt, I would highly recommend when you replace the alternator, replace the belt no matter what, and don't pay any, just discard it, because the car was fine for about a week and then it started making a horrible squealing noise, and you then got to go back through the same process of removing the headlamp and the bumper, and it's just not worth the hassle. So that's the recommendation. Do the alternator, do the belt. All right, thank you, bye.